money is going. Ukiona mtu anakuambia uchukue sufuria weke kwa kichwa ili usilipe ushuru, that is not a leader. And I want to thank the president for the bold decisions he's made. You know, where I stand as the Speaker of the Senate, I'm not here to defend the executive, but I'm here to speak the truth. Na nataka kumpongeza rais for the bold decisions he made. You know, in this country we have leaders and we have politicians. A leader will take his people where they're supposed to go. A politician will take his people where they want to go. Because all they want ni kura. Watu wako wakisema tukachome hii nyumba kwa sababu hutaki kuwakosea, utasema twendeni. But a leader will tell them no, we cannot do that. Even if that decision will be unpopular with your people, but that is the right decision. And these are the decisions that our president made. Tough, unpopular, but yet the right decisions. In fact, sometimes I used to wonder, is our president going to defend his presidency in 2027? Because he had a very easy thing to do, to play politics for the first 5 years. Play to the gallery. Hakuna haja kuleta tax nyingine, manake ukiweka tax, watu watapiga mayowe, that's unpopular. Angeacha. He could have gone to the international market, borrowed and borrowed and borrowed, just like his predecessor. But he knew that was not the right thing. Though it was the most popular decision, it was not the right decision for this country. Because when he took over the reins of this country, we were in a hole. And the first thing you do when you find yourself in a hole is to stop digging. Borrowing more would mean continue digging. He decided, I'm stopping this hole because this country is already in a deep hole. And he made the bold decisions to take us back to the ground. Those decisions are extremely unpopular.